Well, here she is, all torn down. Oh, so naked. Passenger seat's over there. Fairing is over there. All kinds of seats and a McDonald's bag over there. A lot of bolts and nuts and... Oh, she's so naked. But she will be back. Sexy as ever. Oh, she will be back. Before I put her all back together, I will polish every single piece of chrome on there. I will be ordering white wall tires, of course. You know, can't be a Mexican without white wall tires. We'll have to order some spoke rims or find some, and that'll be in a later time. But if you have any questions or anything, I will also be ordering brakes. We'll be changing the spark plugs and probably changing all the fluids also. But I think one thing I will also do is when I send it off to the shop to get the rear tire replaced, I think I might have them change the drive belt, because I already do have over 40,000 miles on the bike, and I don't think that the previous owner changed the belt. So I will be changing the belt, also having them put on the tire. And before I have them put on a tire, I will be doing a massive burnout. Massive, I mean like massive to the point where I'll damn near blow the tire, if not blow the tire. And actually not, because you know it's gonna have a new paint job. Right now it's a factory black. I do have the Harley style hard bags. I have the brackets. Sorry for the bugs. It's late at night, almost midnight right now. I got out of work at 10 p.m. It's California, so there's a lot of gnats. So, and I will be changing the spark plugs also, cleaning the air filter. I'll change all 4 spark plugs, clean everything, clean the coils. Anything rusted. I'm even thinking about ordering these sleeves, because these original sleeves are nasty. I will be polishing everything out, changing out those sleeves. Probably with steel braided style. Probably doing a lot of steel braided, a lot of chrome. I will be also ordering the Huracan Batwing fairing chrome trim. And a later time, once I get extra money, I will be ordering the 21-inch Fat 40 spoke wire wheels, dual rotors for the dual caliper, since the Roadstar. This one's a 2004 Roadstar. I am a roadie, of course. Will be all taken care of, and everything will be polished out. And there's my son Vicente. Say hi, Vicente. Hello. And he will be one of the cheap hired labor to polish the bike out, since they owe me a favor, right? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. I already paid them. But this is her. Any questions or anything, feel free to ask. I will answer any questions. She will be cleaned. One thing I did also do that I never took a video of, and I should have, is I did the AIS, the air injection system deletion, off this bike. I ordered off the Baron Accessories. So that did pick up torque and a little bit of horsepower. Runs way better, sounds better. I don't get as much backfire off of here, but I will describe it if needed. And any questions you have, feel free to ask. I will answer everything you have. Thank you very much. Subscribe, questions, like it. If you hit the dislike, suck it. But she will be back. Thank you. And God bless. Remember, God gave his only begotten son for our world. Right, boys?
Yeah.
Who do you guys fear?
God.
Then who?
Then
Exactly. Amen.